Blum just dropped a bombshell online and no one is talking about it. Hello cryptocurrency miners with Web3 blockchain technology. Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I want to update you guys about Blum allocation. And not only that, I want us to break it down. How are we going to claim our allocation on Blum project? Currently, they posted something previously on their X handle saying that they are not going to release 100% the token you've been mining to you. They are only giving out 30%, and 70% will be locked until 180 days, right? They'll be unlocking it bit by bit, which means that this project is giving us the red flag already. What do you guys think about this Blum project? Right now, guys, let's put more hope on Blum Airdrop because we have none. This is the only airdrop we're expecting that is going to cook very, very well. So we have no choice than to put our eyes on this project and make sure that we complete all the process. And again, if you go through the Blum app currently, there's where you click and see all your activities right on the Blum application on Telegram, inside Telegram. So just log into the platform and check in all your activities, right? All the badges you've been claiming on the application, right? So now I want you to know that also you have to resend codes to your email and verify your email, right? Do so. You are seeing it on the screen already. This is how I did my own. You just tap on this place, tap on resend, and they are going to send code to your own email, and then you open your Gmail, then you tap on the link and they are going to verify your account immediately. You are going to see all your allocation. Now tell me, what does this mean? For these people to give only 30% out of 100% and hold 70% is a red flag. But they say that the project might cook well. I don't know. That's what they say. They say that you might have something huge by getting a bit, right? Let's see what is going to happen. We don't know the plan they have on investing on their project. Or let me see, how do you want to be releasing it and adding more liquidity to their project, based on their own investment strategy. Let's watch out and see how Blum is going to help us to make profit on their project. In case you are yet to join the new mining that is just booming online currently called Interlink, please use the link in the description below and also in the comment section. Just tap on the link and it's going to take you to download the application. Install it maybe on your App Store or Play Store. Install it and start mining. Make sure you verify your face and all the ID they ask for. Then you can now start to mine Interlink, because currently the project has already raised more than $20 million for their project, so that we will also enjoy after all this stress of mining here and there. So if you are here to join this project, make sure you use my referral link you are seeing on the screen. Guys, please don't disappoint me. Make sure that you use my own referral link also, so that at least my mining hash rate will increase, since I'm the one that bring the update to you. Since I'm the one that bring the update to your doorstep, right? So thank you all for sticking with me on this platform. Please support me by tapping on the like button, and don't also forget to share this video as well. If there's any update about Blum, I will be dropping it in this channel. Blum is going to unlock their 70% to us 180 days. They'll be releasing it bit by bit, but they are going to give us 30% on the listing date of Blum, which is TGE, right? So let's wait for the token generation event and see what is going to happen on that day. Guys, thank you for all supporting my channel. I've been seeing so far there's some changes that I'm seeing. So if you are yet to join my team, please, you can also send super thanks to my channel. I will see you guys in the next update. God bless you.